So this is the flowers I got, and these are the veggies that I got. He gave me a little bit more, and so I'm just gonna give them a little water. They looked a little dry when I picked them up, but this is beauty water. It's 5.6 pH water, and plants love that pH. So if you can get that for them, that'd be really good. Give them all a little douse. This is like the 4th bottle I've given them. So just to make sure they're all damp. Even though it looks like it's going to rain today, you know, it's a little cloudy, but you know, may not rain today. So just for them to give a little something so they can be okay until I plant them. So these are the weeds that they need to come out before I plant the vegetables here. And then around the corner, this is where I'm going to plant the flowers. So we have a section here that we need to get weeded out. It has some flower leftovers there. You see little stubs here? And then on the other side of the stairs, same thing. So we need to get this cleared out, and I'll put the little flowers. You can get much flowers. They only give you like 3 beds. So we'll put that here in front of the house. I think it looks sort of nice. And we'll be ready to go. So they're going to come tomorrow to weed this, and we'll put the flowers out.